Jingmi ki jingtho persha ya kurkomya bahe ki VIP harengkat ka jingsenran da ki bor Pulit ka balalam sha ka Jingshah keno Tynrah ka Thar ki Pulit ki bapahara yu bapo lingdo Myntri ka tana tourism ka sarkar MDA2 ya ka bait ha ICAR ha ka por bo dangye be bha banlet sha ka tamasa chiri blossom ha ka ba weu samlaw layap hasyan kala penlong yu bapo bad ong ba ka de ka kam ka bathok ka bahe bha haba jubab sigilat thai kubor ka khat pratrik nai wieng arajar pusaw uba pol loong hakate ka janmit ki bon bha ki kali bat kali jong u ka don hadien ka kali umitrang ba ka jalaw konrat ke sangma bat kidangele ban poi hakapon riu siteng hakachaka ba penlong tamasa Henry nak jingsange man kapor nak jingkhamya bat ki kali kimdon lat ban penher sted loong ba pol ubala benrap ba banyak bai lesi penher sted bat Tynrah ka kali Pulit bat hak jingsien kabat jongu kelasya Tynrah sakawai pat kakali.
See, first and foremost, I think that was a big lie to even ascribe that incident to VIP culture. Please bear in mind, using your logic and your sense of what actually could have taken place. There was a huge cavalcade of VIPs led by the Chief Minister, which had to reach at 6:30 but managed to reach only at 6:45 because the entire cavalcade of cars, after the initial 2-3 vehicles, the convoy, there was the CM's car, and my car was right behind the CM's car, after which there were at least 7 to 10 more cars. We stopped at several points because the movement of people was so huge that traffic came to a complete standstill. Where was the possibility of any of the police convoys even using speed and hitting somebody by accident in the process, when we kept getting stalled and kept getting delayed? However, if you compare that to a motorist riding a bike, it would have been easier for him to be at high speed, hit the convoy, and then get hit by another car, which is something that has been narrated to me by quite a few people. So this has nothing to do with VIP culture. The state has to observe certain protocols especially when you have a union minister visiting us. We were supposed to be there on time without inconveniencing the public. So the fact that such an accident has taken place is certainly unfortunate, but do bear this in mind, that none from the convoy could have hit that biker because we were either stopping or moving at snail's pace.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya